Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am going to show you how you can redirect your websites in Internet Explorer mode in Edge browser. As Internet Explorer is already expired on 15th June, or you can say it is already out of support, so those websites which are compatible with Internet Explorer mode will not work in Internet Explorer mode. So Microsoft recommended to redirect those sites in I mode in Edge browser. Means you have to use Edge browser, but yes, those websites which are compatible in I mode, that will be browsable in the Edge browser, same as Internet Explorer mode. So for that we need to do some settings in the Edge browser, and we have two options. Like you can go to the each user PC or your PC, or you can say if you are going to apply this for your company employees, company users, or you can say there are more than 1 to 2 users, then you can use the group policy. Or if you have only 1 to 2 user and you are comfortable to do that by going to each user PC, then you can follow the same steps which I am going to show you here. So what you need to do, you need to open the Edge browser. So I have already opened here, and need to click here on the three dots button, go to the settings, and after that click on the default browser. Here you can see allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode, I mode, Internet Explorer mode page. Click here, and like here I am going to add one site, https://www.apple.com. so the sites apple.com website is added here, and now we'll check if this website is redirecting in I mode or not. Before going to check that, click here on the default option and click on the allow to redirect the websites in the Internet Explorer mode, I mode. Click on the restart option. The browser will be automatically restarted. Just open new tab, you can close this and try to browse that Apple website, https apple.com. yes, so the same site we have added there. Now we'll try to check if this is redirecting in I mode or not. So how we will check like this website is redirecting in I mode? So you can see here the Internet Explorer option, Internet Explorer symbol you can say, it's showing here. That means this website is now redirecting to the I mode. Means this website will launch smoothly in the Edge browser in I mode. In same way, you can add all those websites which are compatible in Internet Explorer mode, and after that you can verify, and that should work. So you need to follow the same steps to do this. But yes, if you have as I already said, if you have more than 5 to 10 users, or if you are going to apply for your company employees, company users, so you can use the group policy GPO to do these settings for all users. So for that, if you want, I can make a video and provide for you So just if you require, just leave your comment. I will try to make that video and I will share soon. For now, I'll request you to please subscribe my channel, and if this video will be helpful for you, please like and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.